Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tionia in the house. So now guys, I'm in Jamaica and I'm gonna make a little bit of soursop juice. Me I pass out a road the other day and I see the soursop drop off in the road. Yeah, me clean it up and this is what it was in the refrigerator. So me just take off the skin because you know after a while you put it in the fridge, the skin gonna get dark. So me just strip it off and we have some seed. We're gonna semi-pulp it and then with vanilla, nutmeg and some lasco creamy malt. You can use vanilla, anything of your choice. And maybe it's sweet enough, me don't need no sugar. If not, you can put a spoon of sugar. Alright? So I'm gonna use this blender. I'm gonna put all of it in there like so. Because I want to put one, you know, guys. So we're gonna put some water. Alright. So some water. Perfect. Alright guys, so we're gonna put it on and we're gonna pulp it a little bit. Like that. Something like this. So we're gonna strain all of this. Alright guys, you can put it in a bigger container. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out all these seeds like so, all of them, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, take time and pick out all of them. Alright guys, after I'm gonna put everything in there, creamy malt, vanilla, nutmeg, everything. Alright, and blend again. And that's it guys, I'm going to strain it. Okay. Guys, if you have rum, you can put 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this Bacardi. You don't have to, alright? Something like that. Alright guys, now we're going to strain everything over here.